Annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, this morning, this is our last allowance. Last nini nga hatan ako allowance no kada adlaw ha. Okay. This is given by Ichangnim.
Ichangnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Okay, study hard.
Fighting. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Okay, so Princess, Desiree, Rachel, Althea, and Hyacinth. Okay, so kanang I will let you name a sponsor. Kinsay who gave you that pizza. But if your answer is wrong, I will get the pizza back. Okay? So Princess, start with Princess. Isagata kami. Who gave it? No. Desiree. Okay. So, Princess, Desiree, Rachel, Althea, and Hyacinth. That is from Tubuni.
Tumulim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
And you also have 200 pesos allowance. Please receive. That is from Tubuni.
Tumulim, kamsamida.
Samida, study well. Kami yung gini. So, basta marong, kay kwaong na ka. Wrong. Ikaw, kisinanta. Si Janie? Wrong. Kisinanta. Ha? Wrong, ihapon. Kisinanta, Kiss Janie. Ha?
Sige ba, kanang mo.
Any name? Of the
Sponsor name. Alak ko na.
Wala, chacha. Ibalik. Ay, wala sila lapot no, kay wala man katagaan. Chris Jean, Zanaya, and Rian, that is from Kurachachan.
Kurachachan, annyeonghaseyo, kamsamida.
Study well, guys. Kamsahamnida.
Yeah.
This is my brother and my father.
Yeah.
Mother. The mother. Ito po na ang dito.
This is my mother.
Annyeonghaseyo. Ay, tabun sa kami. Bibi. Sophia.
Bye, Pia. Bye-bye, Pia.
Bye.
God bless.
God bless. God bless.
Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Bye, Bibi. Bibi. Bye-bye.
Hello guys! So karon mukbang ta og fried chicken giluto ni mama. Then nato po tayo sauce ni Mang Tomas. Siga hot and spicy. Nata fried chicken. Ami kaayo. Aga. Mama.
Islog sa nga.
Mang Tomas sauce. Nag-wash kong hands. I wash my hands.
Ayun kita. Chicken ako.
Guys, dami ko niya siya sa fried chicken, sa Jollibee, guys. With sauce, pagi guys, ila gravy no? O sa pagkana ito, dami kayo ni. Pero sa Jollibee, mas dami pagig ni. Sa buong mundo.
Hello, sa mama.
Ito sa mama. Kung luto gid sa mama, dami din na.
Ayun.
Kung di ka lang yan sa luto sa mama, mangluod niya ang mama. Mukhaan mo pag maayo. Hindi ka mo, mukhaan mo maayo. Mangluod mo na siya. Bye-bye! Kamsahamnida! Bye-bye guys! Thank you for watching!
Nakuyuan siya.
Annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this evening we're going to have mathematics. So, the first question is, the table shows times when some children start their swimming lessons. They are not in order. So, as you can see here in the board, their names and the time. So, the question is, which two children have lessons between Hari and Sita? Which two children have lessons between Hari and Sita? Number 2. Josh does English and math homework each week. It takes him a total of 2.5 hours. Josh does English and maths homework each week. It takes him a total of 2.5 hours. How many minutes is that? In 2 hours and a half, how many minutes is that? For number 3, we have a playtime at 10:30 a.m. We have a playtime at 10:30 a.m. We usually have a quarter of an hour, but today we are having double that. What time will go back into class? Number 4, the shop is open for 5 days each week. It is open for 8 hours each day. So, ang shop ko no mo-open for 5 days in a week. It open for 8 hours each day. How many hours is the shop open each day a week? Number 5. Tracy started to watch TV at 4 o'clock. She watched TV for 1 hour, and BBC for half an hour. Tracy started to watch TV at 4 o'clock. She watched TV for 1 hour and BBC for half an hour. Then she switched off. What time did she switch off?
Kinit. Kinit. Naman sa akin, na umaawit sa langit.